is gonna be a quick hitter, man. Not spending a whole lot of time on this one. Gonna snatch it out of the box so you can see it. It's the Jordan 88 Racer, and it's a shoe that's inspired by the Air Jordan 4. So what Nike did was created a lightweight trainer, and if you remember the Flyknit Racer, the Flyknit Racer had the same or similar outsole with the waffle skin, right? Yeah, waffle skin. Look at me remembering stuff. With the waffle skin outsole, and what Nike did and Jordan brand did was they decided to make these Jordan shoes based on the numbered Jordan retro releases. So you'll see up the side, the Air Jordan 4, kind of the lacing system for it, and then that space for the netting. So you get a shoe that looks like, and then it has the speckled Oreo outsole. You get a shoe that's a lot less heavy, perfect for like old heads who don't have, you know, a pair of Retro 4s, but they like the Retro 4s, and they just don't really want to wear them because, let's be real, the Retro 4s are heavy. They're heavy. They're not super comfortable. You wear them simply to know that you're wearing a pair of Jordan 4s. This is just a really good alternative. So I wanted to do this video so you guys could see the shoe. I'm not getting into all of this information other than it's the Jordan 89 Racer, the year of the release for the 4. The color is black, white, white. The style code is AQ3747-001. It's only $100. That's a steal. That's a great price. At the factory store though, got these when it was 30% off, so I think they cost $40 or $50, something like that. So it's a really good deal. I'll hold it up so you can get a good look at it. If you've never seen the Jordan 89 Racer, then you've seen it now. And I just wanted to make sure you were able to see it. And I want to wrap that video up right there. I'm going to see you guys on the next one. That's it for the Jordan 89 Racer. Simple, quick video. Not a whole lot of stuff for a QC, even though it's got a QC sticker, and that's QC past A-3, and it has a QC stamp. I'm not really worried about that, but we'll do it anyway. 11/22/18/0101. So this shoe is 2 years. Oh my goodness, I didn't know that. So this thing is still in stores after 2 years. It was a dud. As much as I think it's a nice little shoe, obviously people didn't buy it. This is one of those situations where Nike continuously markets to young people, and they should be trying to figure out a way to hit older dudes who still kind of work out a little bit, because the Flyknit Racer was a good running shoe, so I assume this could be a good little fitness shoe. Go figure. Dates of production, where is that thing? 07/18/18 to 11/12/18, made in Vietnam. 11/12/18, 2 years old, because it's 11/16 today. 20. Well, you can find them at the factory now. Dirt cheap. See you guys on the next one.